Hi all, it's Arshad from Tech School of Motoring. Today we're going to talk about common mistakes people make while turning right into a side road. Okay, so as you're aware of your MSL, PSL routine by now, anything you miss from these 5, it's a grade 2 fault. Okay, so we want to check our mirrors before we signal. We signal to the right, okay? Then we move our position to just the left of the center line. Common mistake. People either miss the mirror, either miss the signal, or either miss the position. So they still keep going here or cross the line. Dangerous. Could be a grade 3 failure test right away. So you want to be at the correct position here. Slow down, look here. Okay, so what you're looking for is traffic coming from that side and anybody in the road on the one you're turning into. Now, another common mistake people do is don't give way to this car. Jump in front of them. Could be a grade 3, okay? Failure test right away. Let that car pass. Then people would make a common mistake is turn like that, crossing into that road, okay? So that's a common mistake, crossing the line, crossing into the other side of the road like here. It's a common mistake. Another mistake is what we call is a swan neck. So overshooting the turn. So going like that. And then, so going up and then turning here like that. That's wrong. Another common mistake is when the people turn into this road, they turn to stay near the center line. No, you keep going into your left side, okay? So these are the common mistakes people will make. Or another one is once you finish the turn, people don't cancel their signal, okay? So don't forget to cancel that signal once the turn has finished. I hope that has been informative for you, and I will see you in the next one.